Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Jenny from Polly's Paper Studio, and you are watching day 2 of our Revisit and Remake series. This is a project for Really Reasonable Ribbon, and I'm using the September Ribbon Club assortment, which is full of amazing Halloween shades. There's some fun patterns and a great combination of satins and prints. So you're definitely going to want to pick up that collection. So for this card, I'm remaking a project that I created as a audition piece for Graphic 45. I did make the team that year, so hopefully that was one of the reasons why. So I'm going to add a picture here, hopefully, so that I can compare these two cards and show you how they are similar, and then show you how we remade them. So to begin with, I did change the orientation. It was a 5 by 6.5 inch card, and I changed it to square. And that is because I just wanted to have enough room to add this tag. And so for this tag, it is going to replace the focal image in the original. And this is a printable from our shop. These are a collection of really sweet vintagey Halloween images, so you can check the description below for a link to that. And so basically I'm just going to work down the layers and share with you how they are similar or different and what I did to improve it. So I did stack these layers pretty close on the outside, and then I added a few more that were just like a vintage book page. So they had a little bit of typography or some detail that was not just printed paper. And then this frame is going to replace the white frame in the original card. I cut that wreath from black cardstock and added some stickles so that it would have a little bit of extra detail. I've got the tag in the same place. I've got flowers here that are handmade rather than purchase flowers, so that I could coordinate with my pattern papers. And then I've added some enamel top brads with a coordinating colorway on the top. And then to this black poinsettia, I did add more of that stickle. So in the original, I had a couple of pieces of the Staples keyholes. These are chipboard pieces from Gypsy Soul laser cuts, and I just finished them with a little bit of like a metallic-y finish, and then antique them just a bit, so that has a similar orientation. I did add flowers here at the top as well, and then the butterflies, of course, these came from some Pebbles pattern paper from last year. And then the bow is in the same general area. I turned it on its side this time so that I could show more of that sweet little pumpkin. And then to finish this off, I have added tools to my selection of what I can use when I create. So I'm using a lot more eyelets now, and these will coordinate with the pattern papers. And then I added a little bit of extra twine. Originally I thought I wanted them to be straight, but when I added that, I was like, whoa, that's so much twine. So I just tuck them around and attach them to the back so that they are not competing with the twine that is similar to the original. So this is day 2 of our Revisit and Remake series. If you enjoyed this, please give me a like, leave me a comment, and if you're not already, I would love for you to subscribe. As always, I'm wishing you a happy and productive day, and I thank you so much for watching. Bye!